Okay, so stupid RVer hack that I just learned because I didn't know it. But these egg cooker thingies, I could not get them to work. Turns out, Chad from Totally Hitched taught me, if you put them on the grill, let them warm up, spray some spray in them, and then crack your egg. No, maybe I didn't let them warm up enough that it's windy, but it keeps them from making a mess. My secret family ingredient. Only the dog in TikTok knows. Oh, my second one turned out perfectly. Look at that. Oh, man. Man, I got one pretty close to perfect. That's pretty close. That guy pulled too early. Got too excited. They do turn out pretty perfect if you're patient. That's my problem. Dory's plate, my plate. Dory's plate, James's plate. Let's see. Your tear in your eye. Yeah. All because the bacon's right there and you're freaking out.